State your name, ma'am.
April Fleming.
All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I believe she met with Mr. Brown in custody yesterday. There is a plea resolution. I'm turning to the court, Your Honor.
All right, plea form indicates that she's going to plead guilty to the charge of retail fraud third degree, which is as charged. She's agreed to pay restitution in the amount of $65.62. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge.
May I have her sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
State your name, please.
April Fleming.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding you're going to plead guilty to the charge of retail fraud in the third degree. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court cost. Fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $500, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
I'm sorry.
You're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody promise you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plea?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes.
and because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
Date of June 17, 2025, location of Meijer in Pittsfield Township. I think it's 3825. Yes, 3825 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. What'd you do that makes you think that you're guilty?
I put stuff in my purse.
And
Okay.
to take it.
Yes. Yes.
So you walked into the store, you put stuff in your purse, and tried to walk out?
I was grocery shopping too, but I stole some stuff too.
All right.
Yeah.
So the stuff in your purse, was that stuff that was offered for sale by Meijer?
Rice. Yes.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No.
And the store was open to the public at the time when you did this? All right. Ma'am, if I accept your plea, I do have to advise you that if you commit misconduct between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would no longer be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that? Counsel, you're aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
Nothing before.
So on the record, Judge.
All right. And have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
I believe you have, Judge.
All right, court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to this charge.
Judge, I believe Mr. Brown wanted us to request the court consider immediate sentence.
What else does she have? I usually don't do it on these cases, but
My understanding is there's nothing else holding her. She's been in custody for 63 days.
there's nothing else holding her?
That's
Not that I see.
All right, so here's what I'll do. I'll refer the defendant to probation for pre-sentence investigation and report. And I understand the restitution has been set, but there's an issue regarding that. Sentencing in this matter will be
March 11th at 9 a.m.
March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. So nothing else is holding you?
No.
What's her bond in this case? What do we have?
Your Honor, bond was denied on this matter.
Yeah, that's right. All right. Ms. Fleming, what do you think my biggest worry if I let you out is?
Did I use drugs?
Yeah, but the drugs you're using,
Yes. In particular, are very dangerous. Very dangerous.
you think that's my worry?
Yes.
On part. My worry is you won't come back. Not that you voluntarily won't come back, but that you'll be dead. That's what worries me.
I understand. I just thought that this would be, that I'd be home by now, you know. I didn't
No.
expect to be here 63 days later.
I didn't think I'd be holding you for 63 days. Right?
Sorry,
I didn't think I'd be holding you for 63 days.
I know.
So. Plumbing, how are you going to not use?
Well, I'm gonna try to stay busy. And everyone in my whole circle, I mean, everyone was giving me ultimatums already. So, I mean, you said everything happens for a reason, and I am very grateful for the intervention. And I mean, if I were to pick that stuff up again, my dad will be gone, my fiance will be gone, everyone will be gone, and I'll probably be gone too. That's all I can tell you. I don't.
I got you. It's, I mean, when it was actually interesting when you gave your admission to the court, because you really, usually a lot of people skirt around and to try to hide, to try to do you. It was almost like when you gave it, and you say this way, you were tired of doing that, and you just admitted it.
Yeah.
You didn't know what was going to happen. You just said, yeah, that's what I was doing.
Yeah.
And I appreciated that. But now I got to figure out, because you're not going to be in it forever. It's clear, right? So I got to figure out how we're going to keep you alive, try to give you tools so that you don't lose everything around you. Most importantly, your life.
Right. And
it just worries me a little bit. I think you understand. I wasn't trying to punish you.
I know.
I'm a little bit worried that, and I'm not saying that's not a good tool that you keep yourself busy, but that you don't have other supports around you.
I mean, I have
to make it
quite a lot of support.
Well, in terms of people.
Yes.
But in terms of treatment and in terms of other.
Right. I mean, I do go to the methadone clinic, and I mean, I'll be willing to do whatever, outpatient, I mean, I'm not sure what exactly to say here. I just.
No, I know. And
this is really hard, I just really didn't know I was going to be here this long. And everyone around me, everyone I talked to about this in jail and everything, everyone's saying this is so excessive, the punishment for the crime. And I don't know, you know what I mean? I don't.
Those are the ones sitting in jail.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Well, I mean, it's been the lady in community corrections would say, everyone's been saying it. And I don't know. I'm not a lawyer, that's all I've been told. I just,
He's just trying to keep you.
Right. I know. And that's what I'm telling them. I'm telling people I'm grateful for this intervention and everything. And I mean, I don't know.
I had a March 11th. There, she said she'd see her. She said she could be 2:25. That's what I want. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I gave you a sentencing date of the 11th. I'm going to move that up to the 25th of this month. So next week. Okay.
Okay.
My probation department will be down there to talk to you. And that way, what we can try to do is set something up for you, at least give you a framework so that when we let you out, you got some guardrails around you and you got somebody staring down at you. That would be my probation department. And then you also have me staring at you.
So will I be getting out on the 25th?
That is my hope.
Okay.
That's what I want to do.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I'm moving it up. So we can give you all that stuff.
Right. And I appreciate that.
Try to get you in the right direction and let you out and see how you do.
Thank you. Thank you. I mean, I owe you a lot. I really do.
Thank you for saying that. I don't know that you owe me anything. I'm grateful to you for being so honest and in the point of being so honest that you chose your life over everything else. So I'm grateful for that. All right.
All right.
See you in a week.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.